All right, let's check this out. We've got Properties of Nature, One Nightstand, requested by Tony. Let's give it a listen.
You know it's been half a year since a night like this. I let you take control of a drunken mess. I gotta have a better stand waiting for better. What can I do?
Speaking of Dance Gavin Dance, this feels like it could be one.
I guess I haven't given up yet. Whoa, don't think
Not the clean vocals, but everything else was much in line.
you're in my head, and if not, I'll make one up, 'cause I'm good at that shit. You were like a dream, and I didn't want to wake up yet. Find me alone in an empty bed. Chalk it up, let's take it back. Your silence is disturbing, your lack of emotion. I don't want to wind up alone.
Really nice vocals. I'm loving the guitars. A lot going on. The Uncleans have a John Mess kind of style to it, which is... I'm really enjoying that. Bass is smacking. Oh, that's it. Really nice tone on the cleans for sure. I'm liking that. Hitting those notes. The layers. I'm liking this. It's got some DGD element to it. But the cleans are very distinct. Those snares.
I thought I had it all, but I kept you in a box, and whenever you come out.
Yeah. Every time I think it's over, it's not over. I'm liking that. It's surprising.
The blood is on the walls, except it isn't blood at all. The same as seeping through the paint. You let me drown in it. You call yourself a saint. I thought I knew you, but I guess I didn't know myself. The time has passed, but I've become aware that I'm my only help. You make me feel like a better man.
That melody is so nice.
I can't find the time. I'm counting empty bottles on the floor. You make me feel like a better man. Your promises were cheaper than the drinks. I thought you were mine. For everything I wanted, this is wrong.
Wow.
Open up your eyes and let that pretty hair fall down.
The bass tones. What?
I thought you were mine. For everything I wanted, this is wrong, this is wrong, this is everything I wanted. I thought
Now we're just going in. I mean, the grooves just keep switching. What is going on with this?
It's going down, we're gonna have a party. It's going down, it's going down. And I don't know if I should be driving, but you better bet I'm taking you home. And if it feels so right, why does this feel
That
like
is
the last
a
time?
groove.
Please, please take me home. I want to go. I want to get away, get away, get away, get away.
It's like a full-on encore.
You make me feel like a better life. To think I only met you last week. I can't find the time. By counting out
Some crazy melodies. Song is a trip, dude. It keeps switching, keeps going, and it's always something different.
I thank you for mine. For everything I wanted, this is wrong.
Are we gonna? I never know when it's at the end because it keeps going and it keeps switching. I think we're there though. Holy moly, what an experience. What an experience that one was. Very cool. It's got some DGD elements, and it's the first song we've heard, and right here we've got Dance Gavin Dance being recommended off of that. So I guess some people might agree with me there, but I really enjoyed that. It had that sort of swancore feel, and the melodic, like all the guitars and everything going on was very, very nice. And their unclean vocalist very much had a John Mess kind of style, which really drew me in from the beginning. But their clean vocalist, definitely unique. Doesn't remind me at all of Dance Gavin Dance from the clean vocals point of view, but had some really awesome notes and tones in there. Again, great melodies, especially in the chorus. Bass tones very distinct with it, which is something that I very much attribute to the swancore type of sound. Always very, very prominent bass work and awesome grooves. A lot of switches, a lot of surprises and changes throughout there, and it was fun. What is up, YouTube? If you want a chance to win a live song request, then be here on Sundays at 5 p.m. Eastern. We're streaming marbles on stream. You'll get a marble. It'll run the obstacle course, and if you're lucky enough to win, you'll get a song request of your choice. It is a blast, guys. So many people show up. I've discovered so many new bands doing this. It's just something fun, different than the day-to-day stuff on the channel. There'll be links down below to the Discord where you can join, find out how to enter the races. We're always in there chatting, memeing, talking anything about music. It is so freaking fun, guys. So I will see you there. And as always, if you're still here, if you're still watching, thank you so much. And I will see you on the next one.